Hi, good morning, everyone. In today's session, we will see how to create custom object without tab. Sometimes we need to create custom object without tab. How to create that, we will see. Here we have object manager. Create custom object. Do something. Claim. We create one custom object with name claim. So plural name claims. This is the object name. Give description. Claim object is to store claim details. Then keep this open. Record name is claim name. Data type is text. Allow this in reports. Allow activities. Track field history also. Check. Allow in charter groups. Make this deployed. Then here, don't launch this tab. If you check this, it will launch a tab. Now we are not creating tab for this object. Just click on save. Now we have this object name, claim underscore underscore C, but this object don't have tab. If you go to any application, we can't see this tab. Previously, we have created object with tab. Now, there is no tab for this object. Then how to manage this tab? How to manage this tab? Every object contains a tab. Only few objects won't have tab. That is, one is for internal reference, we create some object. And for system management, we have object. Only those objects will not have tabs. Remaining all objects will have tabs. So to insert record into the tab or to manage that object, we insert records programmatically. This is the one of the way. Second way is by using import wizard, we can insert records, we can edit records, we can delete records, we can undelete records. By using third-party tools, sometimes we use third-party tools to insert the records, or there is one more tool called as data loader. We will see these things later. These are the different options available to manage the record if you don't have tab. Now we will see, we will try to include tab for this. Now in the object manager, try to edit this. Here it is showing all options, but it won't show option to include the tab. See, it is not showing. So how to do that? There are different types of tabs available. There are 5 types of tabs are available. First one is custom object tab. That now we have created custom object. For that we create a tab. Second one is web tab. Third one is Visualforce tab, page tab, Lightning page tab, Lightning component tab. These are the 5 different tabs we can create in Salesforce. What is the custom object tab? It is used to create tab for the custom objects, which we do not have tab. Now we have created a tab called claim. For that, we have not created tab. While creating the object, we have not included tab. For this, we can include the tab. To do that, we have to go to setup. The setup, the quick find, we have tabs option. These tabs. We can see here custom object tabs. We have to create custom object tab for claim object. Click on new. When we click on new, it will show the tabs which don't have tabs. All tabs, all custom objects have tabs. Now we have created one object, that is claim. It does not have tab. That's why it is showing here. If it has tab, it won't show. Then select tab style. This one on, enter description. This is the claim tab to manage claim object. Claims tab. Tab is always plural. The claims tab. Then click on next. Here you include in all profiles. It is default on select first option. Then click next. Here we have to select all the applications, whatever the applications available, standard and custom applications. For that, we have to include this tab for all the objects. Just include tab for all the applications, so that whatever the application you open, marketing or sales or any other application, if you open, in that this tab will be visible. Click on save. See, now this tab is created, claims tab. You go to any application, you can see the tab now. See, this claims tab is really huge. That is custom tab, custom object tab. Here you do this assignment, create that custom tab. Second one is web tab. It is easy to create tab to redirect the user to specified website or web page by giving that URL address. If you click on the tab, if you create the tab as web tab, when you click on that web tab, it will redirect to the website which we have given, which we have specified. Sometimes we need to redirect clients' other websites. If they have different business, then they will ask us, give this option. When our customers click on this tab, they have to redirect to other website. That time we use this option. To create that, you go to setup. In the setup, we have tabs option. In the quick find, you can find that. In the same way which we have created custom object. This one is for custom objects. Here we have web tabs option. Just click on new. Select your layout, how you want. You want full page or you want to give something in the side. I am selecting full page. Click next. Text label, tab label, what you want to enter. I'll enter Samskara. Tab name Samskara. Give tab style. Anything. description, enter, redirect to Samskara website. Just take that URL. Click on next. Here you enter that URL. Click next. This Unicode will be like that only. Click next. Select default for all profiles. Include in all the application. Most of the options, these two screens will come. Now this came here. Now if you go to any application, you can see that. It may take some time. Now see this. Samskara. If you click on this tab, it will open that Samskara website. This is how we create web tab. Even for our custom application as well, it will show. It is not showing here. It will come. We have not included in this custom application, I think so. This is the way how to create web tab. After this admin course, we will create Visualforce pages and Lightning pages, Lightning component pages. For when we create that pages, we can include those web via Visualforce page, or we can include Lightning page, or we can include any Lightning component in the tab. That we will see these three later. Do these assignments to create a web tab and create a custom object tab. Create one custom object without tab. Do these three assignments. Then we will see these three IDs. These three are the very important unique identification numbers in the Salesforce. We know this, how to see this organization ID. You can go to setup. In the setup, you can see administer activities. Here you can see company information. The company information, if you go here, you can see the organization ID. This organization ID is a 15-digit unique identification number, starts with 00D. And this is the instance number. AP26 is the instance number, that is the server. In this server, this organization ID has been created. For this developer edition account, for our developer edition account, in this instance, in the AP26 instance, in this server, organization ID is created. For that organization ID, this much amount, amount of space is allocated by Salesforce. 20 MB is the data storage, 20 MB is the file space, 5 MB is the file storage space allocated for this organization ID. Now this organization ID is allocated. We have regions. We have 3 regions. In that 3 regions, North America region is available, Europe region is available, and Asia Pacific region is available. Now we have created our developer edition account from India. We have given this postal code while creating the account. We have mentioned this country. So that's why in the AP region, you can go to status.salesforce.com. You can search for AP in the Asia Pacific region. You can see how many instances are available. There are instances available from AP0 to AP highest number. Check for highest number, 28. AP0 to AP28. These many instances are available in Asia Pacific region. In the same way, if you want to search for other regions, you can see in UU region as well how many instances are available. Check highest number. EU48 is the highest number. In this region, 49 instances are available. You can check in North America region as well how many instances are available. Check the highest number, NA220. It is the highest number, I think. Yeah, NA220. So if you check in status.salesforce.com, in this site, we can see all the instances available in 3 regions. For North America, we have from NA0 to NA220. Total 221 instances are available here in North America region. In UU region, EU0 to EU48. Total 49 instances are available here in this region. In Asia Pacific region, AP0 to AP28. Total 29 instances are available here. When we are creating Salesforce Developer Edition account, if you create from America, your instance will be NA0 to NA220. In real time, they will suddenly ask you in which instance your, here they will ask you in which instance your org is available. You can say from, if your client is located in USA, America, you can say from NA0 to NA220. Might be NA198, something like that. If your client is located in Japan or United Kingdom, you can say from EU0 to EU48. Just say EU21 or 22, something like that. Now, if you are in India, your client is in India, AP0 to AP28. Now our instance is in for this developer edition, our memory for us memory is allocated in AP26 instance. So we can say this AP26. This is the instance. In this instance, Salesforce has allocated memory space. How much memory space is allocated for data storage? 25 MB. This is for organizational load. For file storage, it is 20 MB. In this 20 MB, we can create 10 custom applications. 10 custom applications can be created. We can create lakhs of records in this 5 MB storage. Can be stored. It is enough for practice because data is compressed in Salesforce. When memory is allocated means there will be one organization ID will be generated by Salesforce. Allocating memory is nothing but creating organization ID. This ID will be created. This is the region is the highest. In that region, instance is available. How these instances are available? Now, we need this for our class. If you consider this is a server, this is a Asia Pacific region server. In this server, memory is allocated for 8,000 to 10,000 customers. Each and every customer will have one organization ID. Like this, for 8,000 to 10,000 customers, memory will be allocated in the instance. Which instance? AP26. This is available in which region? This is available in Asia Pacific region. Same like this, there will be one more server, AP27. AP27 is available here. AP28 is available here. These are available from AP0 to AP28. These many instances are available in Asia Pacific region. This is whole Asia Pacific region. They have data center in Asia Pacific region in Mumbai. In Mumbai, they have physical setup like this. In this setup, now for our developer edition, memory is allocated in AP26 instance. Maybe for others, it might be AP27. If memory is full here, they will allocate in different instance, whichever is available. This is how memory allocation is happened in Salesforce. Our guide is created like this. This is very important concept to understand. Now this R guide starts with 00D. Everybody R guide is organization is starts with 00D. It is a total 15 digits number. Now you have to do assignment for copy instance org ID, organization ID. How you will check? For that you have to go to setup. In the setup, company information. The company information you can see, our company profile. In Classic, you can see company profile. In Lightning, you can see company information. These are available to this assignment. Now we have object ID. What is this object ID? For org ID, for every company, for developer edition account or for a company, we have unique organization ID. In the same way, we are seeing so many objects in Salesforce. There are almost 1050 objects available. For those objects as well, there will be separate IDs. For campaigns, there is campaign object. For leads, there is lead object. When you click on campaigns or leads or contacts, you observe this URL. When you click on campaigns, it is giving 701. When you click on leads, it is showing 00Q. When you click on contacts, it is showing 003. When you click on opportunities, it is showing 006. Like this, whatever object you click, there is a unique identification number for this. It is a 3-digit unique identification number. Whatever the object you click on, it is a 3-digit alphanumeric. This is a website ID. For this, there is different. See, this ID is different. This is the custom tab we have created. So for the standard tabs, the standard object, the unique identification number is 3 digits. Object ID is 3-digit unique identification number. 3-digit alphanumeric identification number. Every object have unique identification number. With that unique identification number, internally Salesforce will recognize that. Externally we have text, but internally we have unique identification number. Externally organization is Samskara IT, but internally organization ID is alphanumeric number. Externally object name is account contact lead or something, but internally that number varies different. You can copy this, just campaigns, go to campaigns, it is a 701. Now do this assignment. Note down, open marketing application, and we have to open sales application as well. Sales application and service application. Click on the tabs, each and every tab, and note down object ID. You need to remember, as an experienced person, you have to remember few object IDs which we frequently use. So whatever the tabs available in the application, sales and marketing service application, you have to remember those tabs, the object IDs. Everything, no need to remember 50, all 1100 object IDs. We need to remember at least 15 to 20 object IDs. In the same way, record also I have record ID. We have created few records in sales. Go to accounts. In this accounts, open some record. See this URL. In this account, if you open any record, see this has given one ID. I have opened account record. In this, it has displayed some 15 digits ID. In this 15 digits, this first one is object ID. If you click on this accounts object, here it is showing 001. This object ID is 001. When you open record in that object, first it shows object ID. Remaining 12 digits are related to record ID. For every record, this will change. If you open this account, starting digit is 3 digits is object ID. It is common for all records in accounts tab. If you open another record, in accounts tab, so this record ID is changed. This record ID is different and this record ID is different, but object ID is same in the starting. This shows this record belongs to this object. And this is the other unique identification number. It has changed VND, VNC. You can observe that. For every record, there is a different record ID. So now you do these assignments. I have put here. This assignment is create records in different objects. Campaign. And you have to create records in one record is enough. Lead. Create record in account. These are the main objects for us. Create record in contact. Means tab you have to use. Create record in opportunities. Create record in cases. Create record in solution. Copy those record IDs. Copy record IDs and observe object ID. This object ID is different for different objects. First 3 digits in the record ID, the object ID will change. This object ID is changed for different object. It generates separate record IDs. So do these assignments. Now we have fields. In the object, we have fields. For every object, we have different fields. How to see that? You can go to any record and you can see the objects. Go to any other application. See all, open this. Open this. In this, we have fields. We have different fields here: lead owner, phone number, name, mobile, company, fax, title, email. All these are fields. All these are fields. We have different two types of fields here. One is standard fields and second one is custom fields. Standard fields are provided by Salesforce by default for every object. We have seen there are 5 standard fields provided by Salesforce for every object, even if it is standard or custom. If you create custom object or if it is a standard object, these 5 fields are common for every object: ID, name, owner, created by, last modified by. We can customize this field. We can customize the standard fields, but we cannot remove standard fields. These are mandatory fields for every object, but there are some other fields as well. Those fields we can customize. We can change that name of the field, but we cannot remove that standard field. And second one is custom fields. These are created by administrators as developers as part of business requirement. Custom fields are post-fixed with __C. If you create any custom field, like if you create any field with PAN number or passport Aadhaar, internally it will generate PAN __C. It is identified with this name. We can customize and remove the custom fields from the object because we have created those fields. There are governor limits for creating fields. In the free developer edition, in any object, you can create 500 custom fields. For unlimited editions, we can create 800 custom fields in an object. These are called as governor limits. We can rename these fields. We can customize the fields. We can customize field, or we can customize tab name as well. We can change the field name. We can change the tab name. In the setup, we have option for that. The quick find, search for tab. Here, rename tabs and labels. This is for both tab and fields. You can select any field, whichever you want. You can edit this. This account tab I have already edited. You can select another tab. Select this campaigns tab. Click on edit. You can change this name. This is my campaigns. You can put my campaigns. Just click on next. Here you can change campaign name, campaign owner. This description you can change. It is showing actual cost. This is showing actual cost. You can change it to actual cost test. You want to test it, how to change field name. These are other fields available in the tab. I have changed first one. Then click on save. Now see that campaigns change it to my campaigns. It is done by me. You can open that campaigns tab. The application, in the marketing application, open that campaigns tab and see. This will be updated. We have changed test, we have given something for the field. You can see that in classic as well. It takes some time to load here. Just test it. You can do this assignment. Change tab name and field name for accounts tab and field. Try this. This is for today's session. Thank you so much for attending the session. We'll see you tomorrow.